guys, welcome back to my channel. तो आज के वीडियो है माय नायका रिकमेंडेशंस फॉर पिंक लव सेल. एज यू नो नायका पर चल रही है वैलेंटाइंस डे सेल एंड देयर आर ऑफर्स अप टू 60% ऑफ ऑन टॉप ब्रांड्स. सो आई थॉट यू नो व्हाई नॉट टेल यू गाइस अबाउट ऑल दो सेल्स कि वो क्या क्या ऑफर्स रन कर रहे हैं एंड दैट यू गाइस कैन ग्रैब ऑन देम वेरी वेरी सून. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू गाइस, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो. सो शुरुआत करते हैं थोड़े से स्किन केयर के साथ. सो वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट ब्रांड्स फॉर लाइक अ बेस मेकअप अगर आपको शुरू करना है एंड यू वांट अ वेरी गुड क्रीम, आई फील लाइक दिस वन from the brand called Embryolisse is literally the best cream available right now. And finally this brand is available in India now, so I'm so happy that you guys can get your hands on this one right now. ये मैं हमेशा यूज करती हूँ बिफोर आई स्टार्ट माई मेकअप. ये आपके बेसिकली ना बेस को प्रेप कर देता है फॉर मेकअप दैट इज गोना कम ऑन योर फेस एंड दिस विल हेल्प यू टू नॉट मेक योर मेकअप वेरी केकी. दिस इज अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी कि पहले मेरा मेकअप बहुत केकी होता था क्योंकि मैं बहुत ना लेयरिंग करती थी एंड माई स्किन केयर यूज टू बी जीरो. बट सिंस आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस वन, ये मेरे लिए लिटरली everything है in one tube. Literally let cream concentrate multi function. This is the moisturizing cream, makeup base, moisturizing mask, makeup remover milk also, like all in one. ये एक चीज है and this is currently on sale right now. So this is on 10% sale right now and this was originally for 2595 but अभी आपको मिलेगा ये 2336 के लिए. This is literally worth every penny. Since the day I got it अब तक मेरा खत्म भी नहीं हुआ. It's a very छोटू बॉटल 30 ml आती है बट ये आपको बहुत लंबा लास्ट करेगी. You are like a makeup artist or you love doing makeup like on a very everyday basis, I feel like something like this you need in your vanity. Next recommendation is for all the girls जिनको under eye problems हैं and they want a very good eye cream. This one from Dot and Key is absolutely a stunner honestly. This is their pomegranate retinol plus caffeine eye cream. जो caffeine होता है ना eye cream में, it will help you deep up your under eyes. अगर आपकी dark under eyes है ना तो caffeine किसी भी eye cream में help करता है उसको lighten up करने में and to make it much more smoother, especially if you wake up in the morning and you feel your face is very much bloated and especially कभी कभार अंडर आईज भी बहुत मोटी हो जाती हैं, like they do swell up. Caffeine will help you know like calm it down and to make it smoother. Basically आपको help करेगा to hydrate your under eyes and even before makeup. अगर आपके ना बहुत अंडर आईज केकी हो जाते हैं like by applying concealer and foundation, something like this before makeup is going to help you to just keep your under eyes hydrated ताकि आपका ना concealer यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से set कर पाए and will not look cakey at all. Dot and Key is currently running up to 25% off on their products. This eye cream is originally for $495 but अभी on 25% off you will get it for $371. So I feel like a very good investment. अगर आपको बहुत under eyes की issues है and you have like dark circles, then definitely this one is your gem. Next up is one of my favorite brands and that is Plum. They're currently running up to 20% off on their products and I have some exciting products to share with you guys. सबसे पहला है मेरे पास इनका ये Plum Niacinamide Toner. This guys is literally so good if you are a toner girly and you love applying toners and that will like hydrating toners. And if you have acne skin, I feel like this is literally the perfect thing for you. ये basically ना आपकी skin में अच्छे से melt होता है. This will just give you the hydration that you require and क्योंकि this has niacinamide, this will help you remove your acne marks as well. इसमें rice water भी है, so rice water is really good for brightening up the skin. So a rice water niacinamide toner all in one bottle is literally everything. If you can see इसको मैं like kind of regular use करती हूँ. इससे तक खत्म भी नहीं हुआ क्योंकि ये बहुत लंबा चलता है 150 ml. So आई नो कि मुझे बहुत लंबा लास्ट करेगा. सो दिस वन इज फॉर ओरिजिनली 420 बट अभी सेल पे आपको मिल जाएगा 336 का. सो आई फील लाइक नॉट अ वेरी बैड प्राइस. आई फील लाइक समथिंग लाइक दिस विच इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर अ लॉन्गर रन आपकी वैनिटी में. तो 336 रुपीज इज नॉट बैड एट ऑल. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम प्लम इज देयर विटामिन सी सीरम. दिस आई हैव रीपर्चेज गाइज मोर देन 3 times नाउ क्योंकि मुझे इतना सूट करता है फॉर माई स्किन. मेरी स्किन एक्नी स्किन है, कॉम्बिनेशन भी है, प्लस इट गेट्स ड्राई. सो ऐसा विटामिन सी सीरम मुझे पहली बार सूट किया है यू नो ऑन माई स्किन. जनरली विटामिन सी सीरम्स मुझे ब्रेकआउट कर जाते थे और लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स but this one has you know stuck by me and I have repurchased it so many times. So this will give you like a guarantee कि this one is absolutely amazing. इसका by the way है 15% serum. You can start from much lower concentrate. I started from 5% I think so from Dermaco, but मुझे फिलहाल 15% बहुत अच्छा सूट करता है. So if you also have acne skin, you can definitely you know try this one out. So this one is for originally 790, but अभी आपको सेल पे मिल जाएगा for 632. Vitamin C serums are quite expensive, but अगर आपको बहुत dark spots है, if you have very bad hyperpigmentation, then Vitamin C serum is your way to go. So definitely guys, you can try Plum. The last product from Plum that I have is a cleansing balm. This one is the E Luminance cleansing balm. This will help you remove all your makeup like this in like literally quick seconds and आपका पूरा makeup निकल जाएगा. This will help you just break down your makeup completely. In my opinion, if you have acne skin या dry skin, even oily skin, I feel like for any skin type, using a cleansing balm is very important. Like makeup remover wipes or even micellar water आपके like natural oils को बहुत strip off करते हैं. Those will end up get you acne and make it much worse. Using a cleansing balm is literally the bestest thing for you. And if you can see, ये मेरा कितना ही ज्यादा खत्म हो चुका है. If you can see, this is literally खत्म. I have totally hit the pan and I feel like अभी का मेकअप भी मैं इसी से निकालूंगी क्योंकि ये मुझे काफी अच्छा लगता है. Acne skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. This emulsifies really well and will not leave your skin like feeling very dry also. So a very good like a cleansing balm on a budget. This was originally 545 but अभी आपको सेल पे मिल जाएगा for 436. So not bad at all. I feel like cleansing balms market में और expensive आते हैं. जो Clinique का आता है Take the Day Off balm that is super expensive, above 2000 rupees, but under a budget and that too under rupees 500 right now. This one is the bestest bet. Now let's move on to a little bit of makeup. So I feel like for base, a skin tint and a concealer is your bestest bet right now क्योंकि आजकल foundations बहुत लोग कम use करते हैं, but skin tint is the new trend and everybody is absolutely loving it. So Smashbox is running up to 20% off on their products and one of my favorite things from them has to be their skin tint. This is their Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. Literally, this is everything for you. This is quite expensive but worth, guys, literally every penny. This just goes so well. Winters हो, summers हो, कुछ भी weather हो, this is the bestie for me. And ये कभी भी मेरी skin पे ना like breakout नहीं करा है, मुझे कभी भी crack up नहीं करा है, and this will never make my face look cakey. And this has moisturizer and a skin tint in it like साथ में. So basically आपके skin के लिए एक moisturizing feel भी है, plus this will give you a very nice light to medium coverage which you can totally build it up. आपको कभी भी breakout नहीं करेगा. I feel like a lot of skin tints have broken me out in the past. I feel like जो high end brands होते हैं ना, they might be expensive but they perform really well on every skin type. Originally ये है for rupees 3650 but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for rupees 2920. So not bad at all. I feel like you are saving up कुछ अच्छा amount इसमें. Guys, literally you have to try this one out on my recommendation. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. The next brand is Fenty Beauty and they're running up to 20% off on their products. Now this is also their skin tint. This is their Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint and I am in the shade 3. मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा lighter shade है but I feel like definitely like a darker shade is going to be really good for you. Again, high end में ये बहुत अच्छा option है. Like Smashbox and this one is a very good option in high end. If you have the budget and you know high end बहुत अच्छे perform करते हैं on the skin, then definitely these two are for you. And ये भी काफी अच्छा है. This will help you blur out your pores and will give you that moisturization as well. This one originally was for rupees 3600. Now अभी आपको सेल पे मिल जाएगा for rupees 2880. I feel like not bad at all. If you do want to splurge on a very good skin tint, then definitely these two are for you. I feel like इन दोनों से आप कोई भी ले लोगे ना, you will literally be sorted. Okay, so now skin tint will give you like a very lightish coverage, but if you want a full coverage, I feel like a concealer is the best way to go. And guys, my love for L'Oreal concealer is everything for me. So L'Oreal पे चल रहा है up to 40% off on their products, and this one is on sale, guys. And ये कभी कभी सेल में नहीं भी आता है. So right now this is on sale, guys. So do run and get it right now. This will give you that immense coverage that you require, literally. And आपके सारे acne marks सब कुछ cover कर देगा. Literally all your dark past and trauma इस सब का cover हो जाएगा. If you are a full coverage girly, then definitely a concealer and like infallible concealer is your bestest bet. Now this one is for originally 849. ये बहुत expensive है, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for rupees 509. Not bad at all, under rupees 500. Literally the best concealer right now. Next, moving on to one of my favorite brands, and that is Etude House, and they're running up to 40% off on all of their products. And I have their bestest sellers, and that is their water tint. Tints has been the bestest invention in the world right now, and these ones, literally guys, literally have two of them. एक मेरा खत्म होने वाला है, and already have a backup for this because I got this one in the PR, and this is literally the bestest thing. If you are a no makeup girly and you love to not apply anything on your face, but you still want that blushy effect, then definitely this one is the bestest thing for you. A very good dupe for the Benefit का जो आता है tint. This also lasts really long, so I feel like ये इसका bestest part है कि ये बहुत लंबा आपके फेस पे रहता है and आपके lips पे भी बहुत लंबा चल जाता है. This is originally for 450, but अभी आपको ये 400 rupees का मिल जाएगा. So you guys can definitely check this one out. This is absolutely amazing, and my favorite shade, Strawberry 8. This shade is really good for Indian skin tone. The next thing that I have from Etude House is their fixing tint. This is their lip tint, and ये ना literally like a MLBB shade है, like mild lips but better. If you love applying like not very dark lipsticks, आपको बहुत ही light lipsticks पसंद है, something like that जो आपके lips में दिखे ही ना, then definitely this one is really good. This is in the shade guys Dusty Beige. This is originally for 950 but अभी आपको मिल जाएगी 760 की. अब हम थोड़ी सी बात कर लेते हैं about makeup brushes, and makeup brushes is something that everybody skips कि आप makeup actually में करोगे कैसे, but these ones from Mars are so damn good guys. Like literally आपके पास अगर ये 3 हैं, you don't need anything else. Mars is also running up to 33% off on all of their products, and these ones are definitely on sale. And especially this brush is so good. This is literally like an everything in one brush. This comes in like this. ये 4-in-1 brush है, इसे खुल जाता है for eye brushes like that. यहाँ पे 2 eye brushes हैं, and you get like a foundation brush and like a blush brush. So if you are a traveler, then definitely ये आपके पास डाला and you are good to go. ये आपको बहुत ही easily आपका foundation भी blend कर देगा, and it will help you apply that blush also. So like all in one done, and you need nothing else in your life. This is originally for rupees 650 है, but अभी सेल में चल रहा है for 17% off. You will get it for 549. And I know कि मुझे बहुत लंबा राज करने वाला है, so a 500 rupees brush which actually has everything in it, and definitely a bestest thing for you. They also have like a full brush set that is known as their artisanal brush set. ना उसमें सब कुछ आ जाता है, उसमें आ जाता है आपका आई ब्रशेज, आपका फाउंडेशन ब्रश, आपका ब्लश ब्रश. इट कम्स विद एवरीथिंग. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो रियली गुड. दिस इज ओरिजिनली फॉर 1499 बट अभी आपको मिल जाएगा फॉर रुपीज 1149. Still saving good amount on it, so you can definitely check out their entire brush set. That's also really good. One of their newest launches, and that is their powder puff, their pizza puff. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with these ones. ये भी सेल पे नहीं है, but they're just for rupees 129 and you get 2 of them. These ones are supremely cute and definitely feel like baking वगैरह के लिए ना ये just blurs out everything. इसका texture है ना, this is very soft and very easy to apply on the under eyes. ये बहुत ही ना ऐसे budge नहीं करता आपकी under eye concealer या foundation को. Like इनका I think so newest launch है, but trust me, Mars makes the bestest brushes and their sponges. They're so good. Well, moving on to Bath and Body Works, they're having up to 60% off on all of their products, and I am supremely happy because I am a very big body care lover, and I love using hand washes and body washes. I'm literally obsessed with using them, and that too from Bath and Body Works. So let's talk about some of them. I have this one from Bath and Body Works. ये if you can see, literally खत्म हो चुका है. This is their orange and ginger body wash. This actually foams really well. Leaves your skin very hydrated and very soft. And honestly speaking, I don't need to apply any body lotion क्योंकि ना इतनी soft मेरी skin बन जाती है. Like all of their body washes are so good and so luxurious. Now this one was originally for 2000 rupees, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 899. Such a huge drop, and definitely their body washes are worth checking out. Nextly, I also have this one. This is the Chasing Fireflies by Bath and Body Works. Wow, this smells so fresh. ये थोड़ी सी sweet fragrance है, like honey. And if you love honey fragrances, then this one is literally the bestest thing for you. This one was also originally 1899, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 799. A body wash splurging, especially on this much amount. I feel like ऐसी सेल पे कभी आएगी नहीं. You can definitely grab your hands on it. If you have not tried, guys, Bath and Body Works के hand washes, you are missing out on life. Their hand washes are so good, and I feel like a very underrated product from Bath and Body Works is their hand washes. Now they have 2 hand washes, like liquid and foam. So आपको जो पसंद आता है like foam or liquid, I can definitely grab that. I love this one. This is their Champagne Apple and Honey Cleansing Soap. This one was for original rupees 1099, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 440 rupees only. 60% off on this one. आपके ना hands बहुत dry feel नहीं करते. Usually if you wash your hands very frequently, आपके ना हाथ हो जाते हैं बहुत dry, but this one will not leave your skin feeling dry at all. Let's talk about a little bit of hair care. So I have the 2 products from Indie Wild, and they're running up to 20% off on all of their products. Now I have their very famous 2 best sellers, and one is their Chumpy Oil and one is their Moon Scalp Serum. You can see from the bottle itself, मैंने दोनों काफी खत्म कर दिए हैं, and both of them have worked so good for my hair literally. अगर आपको बहुत dandruff का issue है, you have very dry scalp, अगर आपने अभी तक try नहीं किया है for whatever reason, then definitely this is your time to get it right now, क्योंकि फिलहाल ये सेल पे चल रहा है. This is originally for 2000 rupees, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 1599. So I feel like definitely a splurge for like a hair oil, but I have seen very good results for like my long hair. Then definitely this one has worked out for me. If you have early signs of baldness, this one is really good. I have seen results over time. time, and this literally works really well, like especially on my bald areas, and definitely I can see, you know, like baby hair coming in, and definitely this one has helped me. So this one is for originally rupees 1199, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 1019, like 1000 rupees, and not bad at all for a very good serum जो actually में काम करता है for, you know, repairing that bald spots, और baby hair बहुत जल्दी आ जाएंगे. I feel like the sale time is really good to grab your hands on minis, and minis में कोई ना कोई सेल चल रही होती है. So on Laura Mercier here they have up to 20% off on all of their products, and I am obsessed with these two. Now the first one is their blurring primer. आपके pores को ये बहुत अच्छे से fill करता है and will, you know, give that amazing bare canvas to apply your makeup on, and this is really hydrating as well. तो अगर आपकी बहुत dry skin है then definitely this primer is for you. Now this one is for originally 2200 rupees, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for 1430. Definitely if you want to splurge on a very good primer from a high-end brand, then definitely Laura Mercier is, you know, way to go, क्योंकि actually में काफी अच्छा primer है. Now one of their bestest sellers always has been their loose powder. Now I have their mini powder, guys. I feel like the best time is to get your hands on minis. Like minis will help you test out कि अगर आपको इसका बड़ा साइज चाहिए भी कि नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि definitely, you know, try it out and see for yourself. Give you that blurry effect and, you know, will set your makeup throughout the night. If you want that amazing full coverage and आपका makeup बस हटे ना, then definitely this loose powder is really good. This one is for originally 2300, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for rupees 1840. Up to 20% off on this one, and this is absolutely really good. और अभी बात चली रही है about minis, then definitely we should talk about the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I also have their mini mascara with me right here, and they have up to 20% off on all of their products. Now this one is really good to, you know, give that length and volume to your lashes, and they just look so good. हल्का सा I feel like this can be a little bit of clumpy, but I feel like mascaras do that, but आपको ये बहुत अच्छी volume और length पक्का दे देगा. This is originally for 2650, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for rupees 2120. I feel like they also have different colors in this one. I definitely have the black color. इसमें ब्राउन भी आता है, बट इफ यू सी द लेंथ, लाइक दिस इज जस्ट टू डैम गुड. जो इसकी वॉन्ड है इट इज क्वाइट थिक, बेसिकली आपका ना पूरे लैशेस को बहुत अच्छे से कोट करती है, and this will give you that volume. Lastly, moving on to my perfume recommendations, and the first one has to be the Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This one, guys, is so good. If you're into like fresh fruity fragrances, then this one is literally the one for you. And if you do want to splurge on something, you know, like a very good perfume in this sale, then definitely Bombshell is your way to go. If you want to try a smaller size iska, the 50 ml one, then definitely you can give that one a try. It is on 20% off right now, and originally it is for rupees 6499, but अभी आपको मिल जाएगा for rupees 5200. Trust me, once you try it out, you will absolutely love it. But अगर आपको splurge नहीं करना है on perfumes, but you still want to get that fragrance, then definitely you can try the Bella Vita range. They have some amazing perfumes, and this one is their women collection, I think so that I have, and I have their 4 fragrances. अभी मेरे पास 3 ही हैं, but I have 4 of them, and they all smell like they literally can beat any high-end brand, and you get 4 fragrances in this one. The price is something, guys. These are on 41% off, guys. So originally ये है for rupees 849, but अभी आपको मिल जाएंगे for 499 for 4 perfumes. Literally, guys, इनकी जो each fragrance है ना, they are so unique and so amazing. कुछ मस्की भी हैं, कुछ fresh भी हैं, कुछ sweet भी हैं. Then definitely a very good package, like under rupees 500. I feel like a very good deal. And with that, guys, we come to an end to this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. सबके links होंगे in the description box below, so do check it out before you exit this video. And yeah, guys, if you love the video, you know what you have to do: like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next one.
Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday.